Welcome back to ARBS 2026 here on day 2, and I'm at the Copeland stand. Now, firstly, I should start by introducing Shannon Lovett, who we'll be talking to, but I also want to congratulate Copeland because I understand that you're getting, well, you're nominated.
We're nominated, yeah.
For an Industry Excellence Award tonight. What product was that for?
So that's for our CO2 condensing unit, which we're standing in front of just here. So so it's our CO2 condensing unit. It's designed and built in Europe. Capacities from sort of 16 kilowatt up to about 45 kilowatt. So there's 4 models. There's 1 model below this and 3 above. So yeah, new to market in Australia. We have some in the field, but yeah, pretty excited to launch it here at ARBS 2026.
That's great. So that's available now?
It's available now. We have stock and got a lot of interest, which is really positive. So.
Okay. So how do we follow on from that? What other products can we...
So I'll move down. We've got an A2L condensing unit down here.
So can you tell me a little bit about this unit here?
Yeah, so this is a A2L medium temp unit. They vary from 2 horsepower to 7.5 horsepower and similar for low temp as well. So get them a digital version as well, which gives us our capacity control. So yeah, again, very, very similar, but it's fully designed to be A2L compatible, but is also backward compatible to the other refrigerants, which is probably unlikely, but it is there. But yeah, safe, designed. Been selling this product in Europe for quite a few years, so we know that it's qualified and ready to go. Yeah. So.
Okay, that's great. And that's available now?
Available. Well, we got samples in. We're ready to go to market if the market's ready. That's basically where we're at. So yeah.
Okay, and what's this behind us?
So this is our electronics panel. The main controller we've got here is our E3, which is pretty well known in Australia, heavily used within the retail environment. We've had some updates to it. We're currently working through a transcritical application in there that we'll hopefully go to market with very shortly. It's in testing phase in the moment of the US, but yeah, pretty confident. Some AI embedded, it's all the stuff that people like to talk about. Just advanced algorithms around how it controls a transcritical system, so some pretty exciting stuff. So, but the controller itself's been available for a good 2 years now in Australia. Definitely in the electronic space, one of our better sellers. So pretty exciting. So continued development was really good. The US market obviously is on board with transcritical these days, and that helps, right? Big market brings more technology and more advancements. So cool stuff. So,
that's great.
We've got some leak detection for CO2 and other things. Bluetooth, full touch controller, but our XIG Wi-Fi gateway is a new product. So it's a one-to-one Wi-Fi gateway for a controller. So very, very simple setup for the technician. So you can connect the controller directly to the gateway. If anyone has like a Ring doorbell, they know how easy that is to set up. Scan a QR code, drops on your Wi-Fi network. And from there, the customer can get things like asset reporting, upload set point files or alarms from their controller to their phone. So yeah, so really good. Anyone can do it, that's the whole idea. So yeah, so that's available. We actually sell this through the Bio Group, and that's available for text to purchase now when they buy their controller. It will also connect to our ZX condensing units as well, so they can also get their condensing unit data if they need be. So yeah.
Okay, that's great. Well, thank you for that, Shannon.
Thank you.
Great. Hello, I'm here with Abel Nanakuma, and he's going to show some more exciting highlights that are at the Copeland stand at ARBS. Hi, Abel.
Hey, good afternoon, and thanks for coming to the ARBS. So a few points to remember. We have about 2,000 engineers working on R&D, and we have about 3,400 patents active and pending. So we are very proud of that, and innovation is in our DNA. And this is an example of how we innovate. So this is an oil-free centrifugal compressor, which is used in large data centers, so the co-location and hyperscalers. And the term oil-free is used because there is no oil in the system, which takes care of a lot of problems what the market experiences.
Of course.
And what we have also innovated is a new bearing technology. We call it the Copeland Aerolip bearing technology, which provides a significant advantage in the data centers. So typically data center consumes a lot of power, right? So power interruption is not very new to data centers. So the power interruptions happens because of large power consumption.
That's made for mission critical environments.
Yes, it is. Yeah, you said it right. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what else are you going to show us here today?
I can walk you to the second product line I would like to introduce. You can see that it's a revolutionizing dehumidification. So Australia, a lot of the coastal area is very wet and humid. Right, so we spend a lot of energy to dehumidify and cool for comfort reasons. And what it does is that this will split the dehumidification part of it away from the air conditioner, thereby saving significantly on energy. We are talking about double-digit saving on energy efficiency. This uses a revolutionary liquid desiccant, and liquid desiccant itself is not brand new. It is there for many years. But what we have taken is we have taken the liquid desiccant and kept in a contained space, and it never comes in contact with the air it is flowing through. In the past, the technologies the industry had, the liquid desiccant will come in contact with the air. So that limits the application. Here it's completely independent. They do not come in contact and gives a high double-digit savings.
So is that a first in the industry?
This is the first in the industry, yeah.
That's impressive.
We are bringing it into ARBS to generate interest and also pull in customers into this technology because it's a brand new technology. It takes a while for the industry to understand the technology, and this is a great place to begin that process.
Yeah.
Right, so this is our bread and butter,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
Copeland is the majority of our business is in scroll business,
Yep.
right? So what we are doing is to keep us in the forefront as well as to enable reduction of global warming and climate changes. We are going for lower GWP refrigerant. So in the front you see a completely natural refrigerant R290.
Yeah.
So it has no synthetic refrigerants, no chemicals. So there's a variable speed. So it has got variable speed plus natural refrigerants. Then this is the big brother of that. So that's for residential applications,
Yep.
for homes, and this is for commercial applications,
Okay.
all in 290. And then some applications cannot go fully to it, the natural refrigerant,
Yeah.
because they have a much higher level of flammability concerns. So we have the second intermediate category, which is a A2L refrigerant. Is mildly flammable, is not as flammable as natural refrigerants, but has got some chemicals,
Yeah.
but much lower GWP. So these are for commercial applications to go where the industry cannot go completely to natural refrigerants. So we have a whole range, all in variable speed and including a variable speed drive for the OEMs to adapt it very easily.
Thank you very much. Well, if you want to see first-time technology and see some real innovation, head on down to the Copeland stand at ARBS. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.